So let's review on how to do a double stitch. So it's not double crochet, it's a double stitch. So to start a double stitch is that the double stitch is higher than a simple stitch. So we have to compensate when we start our row. So when we go in the forward pass, we need to chain up one first to compensate for the height of the double stitch, and then we're gonna come into the first one, and instead of just going in simple, like just going in like that, we have to wrap our hook first, then going in and pulling through, and then pull through two. That is a double stitch. So wrapping the hook into the side, pull through two. So this will give you the height that you're looking for to get your Tunisian project to be done faster, and it creates a slightly different look than it would be if it was a Tunisian simple stitch. And you're going to go all the way across for doing your double. Now when you get out to the other side, okay, you're gonna go right into the outside chain. So wrapping it, going into the outside, make sure you get two strands that appear to be on top, pull through, and then pull through the second one. Now to do your return pass, it's like the simple stitch. You're going to chain one first, and then you're going to pull through two and two all the way back. The stitch that you see below this is called the griddle stitch. So it's actually a combination of simple and double all worked into one. So to start up again, remember the rows have to be started with a chain one before you begin, and then wrapping the hook and then going through like that. And that would be how you complete the double stitch. And this really does make your work go a lot faster. So if you don't have a lot of patience and you want to kind of do full-size afghans, you can do all this kind of stuff. It's not a hard thing to do, and I think that you'd really love it at the same time. So remember the outside, you go into the you go into the chain, okay, and then to return pass, chain up one and then pull through two all the way back. So this is how you do the double stitch in Tunisian, and I'd like to thank my friend Della Wilkins. She's an expert of Tunisian. She also teaches with me on the crochet cruises, and it's really quite awesome. So this here is the double stitch.